Hey there, it's me Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting. I'm just waiting a second to wait for Facebook to tell people that I am on. I'm just going to mark this while I'm waiting. We're going to do a feathered, a feathered wreath on this quilt. So I'm going to show you kind of how I do that. Y'all asked, so this video is going to be, I'm using just my phone, so it's just going to be kind of quick and dirty. Okay. And then I'll show you the tools that I use to have success. It's super humid here right now, and so this purple fine line erases really fast, plus I think it's drying out. Okay. How are y'all doing? Feel free to say hello. I want to see if I can see the comments. Could anyone say hello so I can give it a look-see? I wonder if there's... Usually it shows me. Alright, so I'm going to do a feathered wreath in this block. Let me show you what it looks like. I made sure to stitch one out first. So this is what the feathered wreath looks like. Okay, we've got the circle base in the middle. And then we've got the feathers along the outside. I'm doing this flower dance applique quilt top, and so far I've been able to quilt a lot of the applique in the areas, but I still am going to have to go back and change colors and, you know, quilt down all the really puffy stuff. So we're going to do my final feather wreath block, and I'm going to show you how I get success on that. So again, this is Lauren. Hi everyone. I see there's a lot more people on right now with Bold Notion Quilting. So I've got a website, boldnotionquilting.com, where you can get all kinds of quilting peripherals that you might need for your job. One of my favorite things that I get is this circle ruler. Oh no. If y'all can hold on 1 second, my phone is telling me it's about to die. Let me just plug it in. And actually, I'm not sure if I can, so we're going to have to do this quickly. So it has a bunch of different sizes, from 1.5 to like 6.5, and so I'm using the 3.5 size, and I can just take it out to use it, to map. When I first started using these, I would take out just a couple of them to make sure I had something to hold on to, because holding on to 1/4 inch is pretty hard. And so it's got all these markings on it, so can you guys kind of see that? The 45s and the 90s all the way around. And I measured right across. I've got crosshairs on here, so I'm going to match the 45s or the 90-degree angles on the cross to center it up, so I know where to get started. Always keep your lines of your rulers down on your quilt. And I'll try to do this quickly before my phone dies. Sorry y'all, poor timing on that. So I'm just going to start my thread. Start my thread by pulling up one, and then I'm really just kind of subdividing by a thread, right? And then I do that until these both don't move. Right now, they both move. So I'll tack it one more time. And if you're really not sure, you can always back and forth right over it. So I'm going to line this up, get the crosshairs on my crosshair. There we go. I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to set the stage for my circle wreath. And I'm going to stitch around it. When you're using an outer circle, you often have to switch hands and go around. I'm going to go just past it. So I also just over-stitched on those threads again as well. And then you can just clip those off so they're out of the way. And then I'm going to put my circle rulers back in their nested circle template. Those are the bomb. If you've never had circle templates, they're awesome. They've got 45 and 90-degree lines, and then they go all the way to 7.5 inches. Alright, so then to get the design, you'll notice I had like a puffy head feather here in the corners, and then I had some curlicues. So I'm just going to show you, I guess I'm going to work it and show you how I did that. I like to come up and do my puff head feather in the top, come down, and then I do my curlicue. Come back and do my regular feather. I'm doing like a set of 3. The puff head, the curlicue, and then the regular. And then I continue with the curlicue and the regular until I get to the next puff head. And I'll put the last regular one a little bit smaller so that my puff head can kind of have space to tuck in and come back down. might need to put another curlicue in this one. When they get too far away, I like to put another feather in there, but that one's okay. If you guys have seen my other videos on Facebook, I'm literally doing feathers in a circle and on a curve, and so there are other videos that you can see on the Bold Notion Quilting Facebook page with tons of stitch outs, and on my Bold Notion Quilting YouTube channel as well for how to stitch feathers, among other things. So that one feels too far away, so I'll just put a little curlicue in there. You'll find it all works out. Not everything has to be 100% identical. Okay. And then we want to go in and do the middle. So you do the middle by kind of using this crosshair that you made. And I'll actually tilt it down just a little bit more so you can see. And I often start with the curlicue, and then I'm not going to do the puff heads in here. Just the curly and the regular feather. Oh, that should be a curly. I just don't want my phone to die on you guys. I've got 5% battery life. Will I make it? I think I will. And if you guys are interested on learning more free motion quilting, you can check out boldnotionquilting.com. We've got a lot going on, different classes and sign-ups, and then all the different rulers and whatnot. So check out the Bold Notion Quilting Facebook page and YouTube channel for lots of free motion quilting tips and tricks. But if you want to take some full-blown classes that teach you free motion quilting from I'm not sure what to quilt, what materials to use, to I can custom quilt anything, we've got a whole free motion quilting mastery series if you want to quilt along with me. The FMQ 101, 102, and 103 are out, and then FMQ 104 comes out in the summer. Thanks for watching, guys. Please share this video. It is a feathered wreath, and I hope that that helps you. Take care and have a wonderful day. Happy quilting!